What's up friends? Welcome to my channel. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. HMD is introducing Barbie phone flip, which will be a brand new foldable bar phone from the company. This new HMD Barbie phone flip offers a collection of modern and advanced features such as a 2.8 inches display, a 0.3 megapixel digital camera, Nokia Series S30 Plus operating system, and 4G connectivity. It offers 4 GB of RAM along with a 128 GB of internal storage and up to 32 GB of micro SD card support. The new Barbie phone flip has a Unisoc T107 chipset. The chipset and the RAM both make the processing speed of this phone very smooth. The HMD Barbie phone flip has a bigger 1500 mAh battery pack that lasts all day on a single charge. For battery, a micro USB connection is available. Other features are dual SIM, nano SIM, 3.5 mm audio jack, Bluetooth 5.0. This is the best flip phone and some cheaper than other type of this phone. That's all for now and thanks for watching.